In this quick video, I want to show you how to change the door switch out of a Kenmore whirlpool dryer. And pretty much it's basically a cable that will go to here to inside. It's fairly simple to do. So here's the video. Too bad. Yeah, it's pretty. These aren't bad at all. You can peel that off there, yeah. It's probably hard to see in here. Get my hand up here. Awesome. Let's see if it works. Perfect. All right. That's awesome. All right, so you see the kind gentleman switched out the door switch. This is the exact part number, and I'll put in the comments section where you can get this off of Amazon. Fairly inexpensive part. It's the labor that's the most expensive. So that's the part is $23, and the labor was $125. And the labor is a little bit high. Expect to pay anywhere from $60 to $130 for the labor. This is on the high end, but he did a great job. And he had to come out twice. So I'm just happy to get my dryer back. And this is the part that was replaced. So this is the broken one. All right, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.